Model gallery is one of the built-in tasks of FredoBatch. So it takes a list of SketchUp models and produces a PDF where each page is a view of a model. Okay, so here we have the 4 models. Let's see the options of a model gallery. So I launch the job. The first option is to assign a default camera. So we can take, for example, here right, perform a zoom extent, and for the PDF to add a date suffix. Okay, so if we run this job like this, we'll get FredoBatch opening each file, performing the zoom extent, and sending it to a PDF. So here you have the PDF generated with the right view, okay, which you see here in the details. So the view has been created with the right camera. Let's see other options. So first, you can use an existing scene in the model. So in 2 of the model, there is a scene called work. So if I type work here, Model Gallery will consider this scene and use it for the camera. And you can also use a custom camera, which is that whenever there is no scene work, you will be prompted to select interactively the camera. In each case, you can perform a zoom extent, so either for when using the standard view, a custom camera, or a scene camera. So let's run the job. So here we use work. Here we are prompted for a custom camera. So let's say that we like this one. We can also change dynamically the zoom extent. So let's say I don't want the zoom extent, I want exactly this view. So I validate. Okay, here for the saxo, I'm also prompted for a camera. So let's say I want this type of camera. For the zoom extent, I can simulate what it will be. And let's say I'm happy, but I want it to be like this. And I don't use automatic zoom extents afterward. So I validate. The PDF is generated. So for the VASC, it's a work view in the model. Here is the stair with the custom camera. Here is the stone bench with the scene camera. And here is the saxo, which is moved to the right. Okay, so FredoBatch supports interactive session with the user to set here is camera, but in other tasks it could be selecting component or changing tags and so on. Okay. So far we have been using the default presentation which is based on a layout template. Here is the default layout template. You retrieve the title, full path, and the generation date. You can perfectly use your own template as long as you use these codes $$ title and so on. So for example, this one has a title bar in red. The full path is at the bottom. I can also resize, for example, this viewport if I like. Okay, so now let's see how you can select the your own template. So here you click on this button. Okay, you can change and select another one. So it's my own template with the red title bar. Okay, so let's go. One thing on the interactive session, you can not only change the camera, but you can, for example, select a particular component. Okay, for example, this one, and the zoom extent will be based on the selection. So if you zoom extent, you see that this is this object which is put in the rectangle, in the viewport or the lay port. Okay, so I validate. So let's do that. Validate. So it's generating the PDF. And you see now that the PDF has the red title bar, the full path is at the bottom, and so you see the view okay on the different models. So this is a way to customize the presentation. Basically, at the moment, there is a title, which is the base name of the model, the full path here, and the generation date. Okay.